Good morning, everyone. This is Steve's Les Paul, and these are the values. Before I shape this nut, I'm taking you in to show you that these are the values for the 9 to 46 strings at concert pitch. So that is the cross-sectional view of the blanks that I sell to my Patreon guys, and the thickness here from here to here, and the height from here to here, and the shelf size is big enough for pretty well any guitar on the planet, and that's why they're designed way oversized. So you can see how much I took out of here, in this case, not always, but in this case, how much I took out of the overhang to get this guitar to tune perfectly. You can see how much I've left here on the outside after all the work you do to allow you to shift that ever so slightly one way or the other to get the strings perfectly lined up. So we're going to go ahead and shape this now and glue it into place. Okay, this is pretty well done. I'm just doing the last check in playing position. So Steve's Les Paul is now perfectly in tune. We have a compensated nut, and I did end up flipping that low E saddle 180 to get to squeeze out the intonation on this. Now it's perfectly in tune. These are 9 to 46 strings at concert pitch. All those first position chords.